All right, today I thought I'd pull apart one of these Rambo shells. It's a 5-inch shell. A lot of people think these are probably the loudest on the market, going for noise. They average about 173.2 grams, the sleeve did, as total weight. Other shells in the same category, like blue ZRs and its and everything, they're around 135 to 145 average weight. So is there more clay in these, or is there actually more composition? So I guess that's what we're going to figure out. A lot of people wanted it to be done, so I guess we're going to figure out what's going on with these. So we'll do the fuse first, like usual. I already got the average weight, 173. I think this one's 173.6 is the weight on this one. I wanted to get one that was close to the average. Fuse is taped in there pretty good. .1 on the fuse, all grams. Next we're going to do the lift. Lost a little bit of lift, a tiny bit. Won't matter though. .1 grams on the lift. It's kind of light. Usually you're seeing about 10 to 12, especially with 170 grams of total weight. All right, let's pop this top off. Let's see what we got under here. Clay plug. It's got a disc on top of it. Not much room, so these are 4.75 inches, I think, total. So roughly 5. We'll get into that now. So I found the best way to get these clay plugs out is just to squeeze them till they break, so you're not cutting and digging and doing things you probably shouldn't do. Let me grab this clay out. Be careful not to get into the composition so we can get a good weight. You can see a little bit of the composition. I'm going to lose a little bit, but grand scheme of things, not that big of a deal. And that clay plug was in there a little sideways, it looked like, so it goes down pretty far. There we go. So we're going to lose a little bit. I mean, it's just attached to the clay there. All right, a little clay left in there. Doing the best we can. So that's all of it. And 62.7. So that's actually pretty substantial when it comes to these. I think one of the ZR blue cans I did the same too, was only in 30s, 35 I think what it was. So we'll add these up off screen. All right, total is gonna be 71.9 grams. So it's pretty heavy. They're pretty loud. So I'd say this is probably one of the best, if not the best so far on the market that I've heard, seen, done. So hope you learned something.